Hey guys, back for another video. So I'm going to be speaking on the Judy and Brat baby name situation. Um, as you guys know, it was in the public and in the media, basically, in so many words, saying that they took that name. Well, here's the thing: how can you actually steal a name? Can you put it in your pocket and take it? No. But what is implied is that that was a name of maybe a friend or somebody close to her that she knew or they knew of, and they used that name. So let's break it down here. When I did research, because I wanted to find out, like, who is Shania. Shania used to be an assistant of Judy. At the time that Shania was an assistant, we know that something happened with regards to the young baby, and rest in peace, that drowned at Judy's residence. I have received a lot of information, and I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I first wanted to do my YouTube channel years ago, I wanted to talk about this situation because there was another YouTuber that was talking about it, and I cannot remember his name. Maybe it'll come back. I think it's Shocky or Shaky or something. Shaky. And he was just talking about all of these things about the bed. And I was like, what is he talking about? So I looked it up, didn't really do much research. But he had allegedly said a lot of things. I don't know if that information was true, but what ended up happening is allegedly Dabrat and Judy did file some kind of court documents or something against him. So there was something going on between them and an attorney with regard to this baby. And I don't know exactly what he was saying. I don't recall, I don't remember, but I do know he was putting out that information with regards to that child. And he had made some serious allegations. The thing that I want to speak, well, there's a few things I want to speak on today. Is I've been getting a lot of messages that's contrary to what I read. So a lot of people seem to think allegedly that although the court documents say something else, that what actually happened is very much different. um so there's a lot of information and speculation and allegations out there that Miss Judy had her entire team and whoever was on premises to sign non-disclosure agreements before calling the police. And they're basically stating that she covered her back prior to even getting law enforcement involved, and went as far as to calling the police chief to make sure nothing happened. Now, this is all alleged. I do not know. This is information that people are saying. And if you guys have some information with regards to that and you're willing to come and talk about it, please send me a message. I am on Instagram with that same name, Lakeysha. So reach out to me and let me know what you know. Because there is a lot of information out there that's contrary to what the court documents actually say. And now, if I go back in my memory, that other YouTuber, Shaky, I think his name is, that is exactly what he was saying. But of course, I don't want to put out speculation because I don't have any proof. But this is the information that he was putting out there. Now, let's go back to the name situation. Shania, after doing research on her, she's obviously a pretty young lady. She does have her own business. She is an entrepreneur. You guys go check her out. It looks like she has a some kind of serum that she's selling. It's called Pregnancy Glow Moisturizing Serum. It is available at Walmart. So please go and check her out and support her. We definitely want to support, our Black business owners. So let's get into what Miss Shania stated. Miss Shania stated sometime in July, I believe, yeah, we're in July, duh, on her Instagram, that she was fed up with your wicked ways and she had kept quiet for years, no matter how many paid interviews or blogs wanted her to speak. But you name your child after, wait a minute, guys, I'm sorry, I done read this totally wrong. It says, I'm so fed up with your wicked ways. I've kept quiet for years, no matter how many paid interviews or blogs wanted me to. But you name your child after my children. You are going way too far. let's get into it. What does she mean by that statement? Okay, guys, we know that her two children names are True and Legend. Those are two people, two little cute little human beings. So that's what she named them. So we know that Judy and Brat named their child True Legend, one name. So he has both of their names. So when she states that they stole the name, you guys know exactly what she means. What she's meaning is you guys use the name of her kids. So this is my thing, and this is the information that I'm getting from a lot of people, and this is alleged. Judy did give Shania Solacek allegedly part of her business. So a percentage of her business is what it is. They are saying she allegedly gave her. People are saying good things about Shania, but here's the thing: what is really going on? That the fact that she would make a post and say your wicked ways. What does that imply? What are we missing here, guys? There's something that is missed. Something is missing. I don't have anything personally against Brad and Judy, but let's be clear. I report the news whether you like it or not. So if you don't like it, that's fine. I'm going to continue to report the news. But there is definitely something going on here because guess what? I can tell. I'm reading the messages and I can see that there is another side to this story. Is it possible that Shania took responsibility for something to save someone else? Why are people indicating that there were NDAs signed? Where is all this information coming from? Why did Judy allegedly give Shania part of her business? There's some information that is being missed. If you guys know something and you're willing to come on and talk about it, let's talk about it. And let me know what you guys think in the comments because I'm sure you will. And I'm going to continue to follow this story and let me know what you would like to see next. But let's sum this up. In terms of did they steal the name? You guys be the judge of it. I mean, if you're, well, I wouldn't say at war, but they're not friends allegedly anymore. We can kind of tell that, right? They're not friends anymore. I don't think Shania was at the hospital seeing the baby. I don't think she saw the baby. Frankly, I don't think they've talked in years. But people have stated that she's a good person. No one has really said anything bad about her other than what's reported in the court documents, which really makes her look negligent. But that's what the court documents say. We all know that court documents, there's a process that they have to follow, but did those things actually happen? Is what I'm hearing that did not happen, allegedly. So, in a situation, did they steal the name? I guess my question is why would the Brad and Judy want to name their son the same name of a lady that they had a prior relationship with. And as I believe Dabrat stated on her social media, someone that they have not followed or talked to in years. That's the question. Why would they use that name? Because it is basically known that those are her children's names. So to say that you didn't steal it is a clear indication that you were not honest to say, we basically just named our son that name because we liked it. But to imply that as if you didn't use it is not being honest. So, what do you guys think? And I hope I answered your question because if I didn't, let me say it again. True and Legend is Shania's children's names. True Legend is the name that Dabrat and Judy used for their newborn son. They took both of her children's names and put it into one and named their son that. So, all the names in the world, why would you want to choose that name? I'll give you an example. There's not really many people that I don't like because I just don't give people that much energy. If I don't like you, I just don't like you. I don't have anything against you. But if I had a situation where I didn't like somebody, I'm going to tell you this. What I won't do is be naming my children after yours. So there's something else to this story that is not being told, and the people are talking. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Talk to you later.